a different camera. We'll use this for the boat tour. I'll start in the back. Yeah, we'll start in the back. We'll try to do a quick tour. So this goes up top to where Roger is.
What, you doing films?
Yep.
I'm gonna look out for safe.
All right. And here's the, okay. This goes up to the front. Nice little sliding door there. There's the helm station. Big deck space up front for the ladies to lay out. The anchor, the windlass that doesn't work. There's Roger up there again. Where are we getting? Hi, Roger. And we'll go back around the other side. Same walkway all the way around. Here's a view in the window. Okay. That's up above. Needs a little work, but oh, look at that. Huh. Gigantic swim platform, which I'm excited about. With a door that you go out to the swim platform. That's extra. I slept here last night. Nice little bed. Barb's oven will go there. We're on battery power. We have been for a while, and it's still working. Cute little dinette set. I believe it also makes into a bed, but we haven't tried it yet. Big flat space. That's just this could be another bed almost. Here's the head. We're currently not using it. We had it sucked out the other day, and hello. And so we're not going to use the head because we're going to take the waste holding tank out and put a composting toilet in. This is a tub shower combo with a little bathtub. Okay. This is where Roger slept last night, if you can see it because of the darkness. Those drawers needs to be fixed. This is the little V thing for the V berth. That's a closet or something over there, I'm not real sure. There's a hatch that opens, all those hatches open. And back to the V berth, there's a hanging locker. Let's have a look in there. Maybe, oh, you gotta turn on the slow latch. We'll paint that up real nice. And maybe line it with cedar or something. And then there's two of these cushions. The other one was Roger slept on. V-berth, chain, anchor locker up forward, a couple of batteries underneath. Oh look, there's drawers here. I didn't see those before. A lot of storage, especially compared to a sailboat. And there you have it. Another boat tour from another camera. Peace out, my friends.